What is up, guys? Today I will show you what to do if your projector is broken. As you see, the matrix of my projector is and the screen actually is not working properly. Actually it was damaged. I just made a small image to show you. As you see, here is fully damaged and also you have some scratch. Of course the projector itself working perfectly, but of course it's not visible at all, so you cannot just continue using it. So I've got this T1 projector here, but also this guide is applicable for any projectors that you have, maybe someone more difficult or less difficult to dismantle. So today I will show you how to replace the screen. That's I ordered the new screen from AliExpress. And actually, if you have similar situation, you already ordered somewhere from AliExpress your projector, so you can just text seller and ask to send it. Of course you need to pay. I paid around $12 for the new one, so now I will show you how to replace it and move it back to work. Also in this video you will see there are some dots, small dots here, how to clean your projector to avoid this dust inside it. So let's do it now. I will show you how to dismantle it, replace it, and let's see the final result. Right, first let's dismantle it. So what you need to do first is actually the T1, so it's very simple to dismantle it. Firstly, you need to put this off the cover. Maybe you need to use some things like that, or from your guitar, then you can just easily dismantle it. I'll put it this way. You see, also it's possible with your hand. Then when you just unscrew one, you can do more. Okay, the first one, that's how it looks like. Then you need to do the same with the second one. Let's do it. Actually, nails are more than enough, so I will just put this to cover, put it inside the lens. Okay, almost done, just with my nails, not to damage it. Okay, the second one, so you should be always careful. Then you need to dismantle quite many screws, so I will not comment it, just dismantle it and show you how to replace. So actually that's how it looks inside. Of course you need to clean everything here before installing. There are quite many lenses. This one is like main part. Actually it's not sticked. As I see, you can also dismantle it, but I will not do it. So I'll just keep it straight here. Seems there is no dust. So here is a screen. As you see, I don't know whether you see it or no, but okay, on this angle you can see it's damaged. I already got a new one. That's actually how it looks like. That's not scratch, that's actually the protection cover. And as you see, that's how it looks like. It's same model. Actually it's showing a bit different model, but the size is same, so should be fully suitable. HD, okay, 004 V1, so it's actually exactly the same one. And from the back side it's also same. So let's firstly clean everything here. As you see, it's quite many glasses. All of them should be cleaned. And here, okay, this glass should be here. And we have one more glass. That actually should be here. So this is just pure transparent. Should install it also in proper direction. So now let's clean all the glasses here. Or remove all the dust, actually like this. Clean the lens as well, and put the new screen here and assemble it back. Check whether all the dust is removed. Also, you can use this thing here. As you see, it's helping even more. Okay, that's the old screen, just to check whether everything is smoothly. As you see, it's damaged from many sides actually. Let's do the cleaning here. Shouldn't keep any dust. And let's clean the lens. Okay, the lens should be installed here. Perfectly fit. Okay, so the lens fit perfectly. Cleaning. The next step, you should be very careful. So you need to install okay, let's check. Okay, this side. Let's dismantle this part as well, just to be sure that everything will fit smoothly. Okay, watch careful the screws. Okay, now let's try to assemble it very carefully, now without matrix. Okay, the speaker here, also clean it from dust and put it here inside. Okay, seems speaker doesn't fit, so let's fit the speaker first before installing the screen. Now the most important part here is to install the new screen. So as you see, it should be this way. So actually put off the protection. It's actually on both sides you have the protection here. Put it off. Very carefully install the screen. And install the screen cover here. Okay, it's working already, good sign. Let's make the image focus. Okay, the focus is here, so let's test it out, maybe a bit further, make it bigger screen to see. And let me disable the light now. Okay, so we found the focus here, disabled light, so let's test it out. Yeah, seems working well, as you see. No dust, no any issues with the matrix, working perfectly fine. Okay, we'll try to move closer. The old matrix is here, actually replaced and damaged. This one is new and fresh and working quite well. So that's actually how you can easily replace the matrix on any projector, including the ST1 and matrix. You can always order this new screen from the seller, or in case you get it like locally in your market, just dismantle your projector first, find the code. For example, on mine here is the code, and make photos or just search on AliExpress this code and you can find the suitable matrix for you. If you like the video, just put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channels and leave a comment below. See you next time.